If you want crispy, golden food with less oil and no mess, this video is for you. Today I'm comparing 4 of the most popular and highly rated air fryers on Amazon US so you can see which one truly fits your lifestyle. And of course, all the verified purchase links are down below in the description and pinned comment. The models: 1 Ninja and 4 Quartet, the people's favorite. Why it's so popular: a balance of compact size, consistent results, and ease of use. 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, ceramic-coated nonstick basket, dishwasher-safe parts. Best for singles, couples, or anyone wanting a simple, reliable starter air fryer. The AF101 has tens of thousands of reviews, over 85,000 ratings on Amazon. Tocasori Pro Smart 5.8 Cute, the efficiency bestseller. Why it stands out: intuitive interface with 12 to 13 presets, shake reminder, and strong performance for mid-size batches. Highlights: removable basket, app recipes, quick touch controls. Best for small families and anyone who values practical presets plus smart features. The Pro Smart 5.8 Quart holds 4.6 stars with around 18,800 ratings on Amazon. Instant Vortex plus 6 quarts, fast, powerful, consistent. Why it stands out: rapid preheat, strong airflow, and crispy results. Highlights: 6 functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, easy cleanup. Best for people with busy routines who want speed plus slightly larger capacity. Rated 4.6 stars with about 20,300 reviews on Amazon. For Philips Premium Air Fryer, the premium option. Why it stands out: Philips trusted build quality and fat removal technology for healthier frying. Highlights: extra large basket, dishwasher safe parts, robust build. Best for larger households or anyone who values premium construction and brand reputation. Shows 4.3 stars with around 3,100 reviews on Amazon. Quick comparison: best compact starter model. Ninja, simple, reliable, easy to clean. Best for presets and everyday convenience. Cosori Pro Smart 5.8 Quart. Fastest cooking and most consistent crisp. Instant Vortex plus 6 quart. Best premium family size choice. Philips XXL. Which one is right for you? Small portions, starter model. Ninja AF101. Need presets, app, medium capacity. Cosori Pro Smart. Busy schedule, want fast, crisp results. Instant Vortex Plus. Larger families, premium feel. Philips XXL. Pro tip: for breaded foods, always preheat and don't overload the basket. Shake halfway through for extra crunch. The Cosori even gives you a reminder. All of these models have excellent reviews and deliver great results. The difference comes down to size, presets, and overall build. The verified purchase links are all below in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more appliance reviews, and let me know in the comments. Which air fryer would you choose? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.